Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this question provided. Okay, now the first thing is to copy what we have. We have 4 to the power of x minus a 2 to the power of x, okay, to be equal to 1. Another one, when you write a 4 and you have the base which is 2, we can translate this 4 into 2. Okay, we can write 2 to the power of 2 as a 4 then power x, okay, then minus 2 to the power of x, which equal to a 1. To mean that here this will be 2 to the power of 2x, okay, and then minus a 2 to the power of x, which equals to a 1. To mean that here we have same power. And according to the law of indices, when we have a to the power of n times m, like this is equal to a power m then power n again, as long as here, because it is multiplication, nothing will change. Okay, so this is what we are going to apply that over here to get 2 power x then power 2, right, then minus 2 to the power of x to be equal to 1. Right now here we can let our 2 to the power of x to be equal to y. Okay, this will provide y squared minus y to be equal to a 1. Okay, now this will provide y squared minus a y minus 1 to be equal to a 0. Okay, now at this stage we can think which two numbers we can multiply to get -1. If you don't know this number, we can use, because this is a quadratic equation, we can apply this formula method where of this is a, we have a which is equal to 1 and b which is equal to -1 and c to find the x. Then here, because we are finding y 1 and 2, because we have highest power of 2, you know that we are going to find y1 and y2. Okay, this would be -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a c over 2a. Now at this stage, y1 and 2 would be -1 plus or minus the square root of -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times -1 over 2 times 1. Okay, then y1 and 2 will be a 1 plus or minus square root of a 1 plus a 4 over a 2. Okay, then y1 and 2 will be 1 plus or minus square root of a 5 over a 2. To mean that here y1 is equal to 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2. This is a y1, whereas y2 will be 1 minus square root of a 5 over a 2. Okay, then after, because we know that 2 to the power of x equals to a y, so that here our 2 to the power of x will be 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2. And we have another 2 to the power of x to be equal to 1 minus square root of a 5 over a 2. Let's deal with this. The first one, here we will apply logarithm. We have logarithm of 2 to the power of x to be equal to a logarithm of 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2. Okay, now here x logarithm of a 2 will be logarithm of 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2. Okay, then here x1 will be logarithm of a 2, logarithm of here will have 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2, then divided by logarithm of a 2, which implies that x here will be logarithm of 1 plus square root of a 5 over a 2 to the base a 2. Okay, then this is, because we have the same value here, x2 here will be logarithm of a 1 minus square root of a 5 over 2 to the base a 2, because all steps to find an x2 are the same. Thanks so much. Keep watching. See you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe.